Chemical and physical changes. Say hello to Mark and Molly. Each are enjoying a glass of water. Deciding to save some for later, Molly puts her glass in the refrigerator, and Mark decides to put his in the freezer. A short time later, they go to get their drinks. Molly enjoys her cold liquid water, but something has happened to Mark's water. His has physically changed. Matter can undergo a chemical change or a physical change. A closer look at ice will show us that frozen water is H2O molecules made of hydrogen and oxygen atoms. When the ice cube melts, the molecules stay H2O. They just change from a solid to a liquid. Even when water evaporates, the molecules might be moving a little faster, but they're still water molecules. Another example of a physical change would be bending iron metal. Iron can be made into I-beams or pressed into shapes. Whether the iron is in a beam or in a shape, it still is Fe atoms, just in a different shape. A chemical change occurs when an entire new material is created or the atoms become rearranged. Iron rusting is a chemical change because the iron turns into a new material. The process of rusting can be seen in a chemical formula. Iron plus water plus oxygen yields iron 3 oxide, or rust. In this chemical equation, we start with iron, but end up with something brand new. Another chemical change happens when you eat sugar. Sugar enters your body as C6H12O6. When you breathe in oxygen gas, a chemical change begins. The sugar is broken down and turned into carbon dioxide and water. The sugar molecule has chemically changed. Another chemical change happens when you drive your car. Gasoline enters your car as octane. Octane is C8H18. In your engine, oxygen is introduced, and the octane changes into carbon dioxide and water. This is a chemical change because octane is no longer a molecule. Something new has been created. You can tell the difference between chemical and physical changes because chemical changes can't easily be undone, but lucky for Mark, a physical change can be undone, and his glass of water is almost back to a liquid. Chemical and physical changes.